I wanted a good keyboard, and there weren't any out there. I figured, well, how hard could this be? And then we built the best keyboard we possibly could. It's not what you'd expect from a keyboard, but people love it. Creating a keyboard is kind of a weird thing. It's been an obsession. Hi, I'm Jesse Vincent. I'm co-founder and CTO of Keyboardio.
I'm Kaya Decker. I'm the CEO of Keyboardio. I'm also married to Jesse. Most people are typing 8+ hours a day on uncomfortable, flat plastic boxes that are pretty much the same as they were 100 years ago. You deserve something better.
And a musician's not like, well, I'll just take the plastic guitar off the shelf and it'll be fine when I'm staking my entire career and my professional everything on this. Like, they're really thinking about it.
I found a bunch of research about better keyboard layouts, how your hands work, and what actually matters in keyboard design. And every keyboard design in the last 20 years has flat out ignored it. So we built a good keyboard.
The Model 1 is different. It takes some getting used to, but it's worth it.
The Model 1 is that great sort of tool that supports the way you want to work and then gets out of the way and lets you do the kind of work that you couldn't have done without it.
And I love the way my fingertips kind of rest in the keys and how easy the keys are to reach.
We're trying to build a keyboard you'll enjoy using for years. We have this gorgeous maple wood enclosure. We've sculpted the keycaps to guide your fingers to the right keys. And yeah, it lights up. The LEDs that glow from under each key are actually totally customizable and programmable. Originally, the butterfly shape was an accident, but we love it. It feels warm. It feels friendly.
I bring the keyboard out in public and people look at it and say, "Can I touch it?" It's a keyboard. You're supposed to touch it. That's the whole point. Up till now, we've been designing and designing and designing and testing and testing and testing. We've made dozens of prototypes before we liked one enough to call it the Model 1. And now we're going to make a few thousand. I've spent most of my career building open source software. It was important to us that we build an amazing product that wasn't going to be locked down. Most products get worse over time. Open products get better.
Because it's open source hardware, I know that I can customize it to my needs and then share those customizations with the community.
You're going to get firmware source code. You're going to get schematics for the electronics. You're going to get a screwdriver. Even if you never touch a line of code, plenty of other typists will. And their work will make your keyboard better.
This is a tool that I can use over the next 20 years of my career because it's going to grow with me.
And so now it's possible for us to come to all of you and share with you what we're making. Thank you for paying attention. It means a lot to us.
If typing matters to you, please back our Kickstarter.
Hi, I'm Greg Henderson, And I'm Jill Henderson. We're the founders of Hendo. The Hendo hoverboard is something that has to be experienced in order to understand. Words cannot describe it.
The underlying technology is totally scalable. We can make it really small or really big. And solving for the problem of lift also revealed the solution for propulsion and control. We are able to turn, move, drive around in any direction, go up and down slopes, or do it all at once if we like.
Imagine a vehicle with all the freedom of a car and all the efficiency of a high-speed train. With our hover engines, that is now possible.
The Hendo hoverboard is just the first step. It's a proof of concept, the simplest path for demonstrating our new technology in a way everyone can understand.
It's a dream realized. When you support our Kickstarter campaign, one of the options is the Hendo Developer Kit, the white box.
Inside, you'll find a hover engine that you can use to hover whatever you like. You no longer need to be a scientist in a lab to be a part of building the future. By putting this technology in your hands, who knows what we can develop together? The wheel may finally have some competition.
Thanks for believing.
We've entered the age of personal manufacturing, but when it comes to making durable things in your own shop, there's still no easy way to cut hard materials.
As makers and engineers, we need to work with all materials, so we built a machine that could, the first desktop water jet.
Wazer works by combining abrasive particles with a high-pressure water stream. The mixture exits the nozzle and cuts through the workpiece.
It's great for any workshop. It cuts every material, it's compact and contained, and it's digital, so you can make precise cuts that are impossible to make any other way.
As an industrial designer, I've used a variety of desktop fabrication tools, but they tend to be very limited by the durability of the materials you can use on those machines. With a desktop water jet, we can go from design to component to fitting that component and testing within a couple of hours. That's an incredibly powerful tool.
As a jeweler and an artist, with the work I make, I spend a lot of time hand cutting. So right now I'm selling pieces sort of as almost limited edition because I can't physically output them, not because I want to be making in a limited edition. Wazer would allow me to not only make a lot more, but also to lower the price point so they'd be available to a broader audience.
I think, people tend to have their ideas constrained by their tools and the things they're capable of working with. And having a water jet cutter, which has the ability to cut a broader range of materials, hard materials like steel and glass, will be enabling and make them think in different ways and have them build different things they couldn't build before.
The future of manufacturing is in custom local fabrication. People will be able to make things in their own workshop that they can use every single day and will last a lifetime.
As mechanical, electrical, and manufacturing engineers, we've designed products, manufactured components, and set up assembly lines in the past.
Now we're preparing for production, but we need enough orders to produce the machines cost-effectively.
We've created a unique desktop tool, and we're really looking forward to all the amazing things that people create with it.
Yeah, it's really good volume. I can hear everything.
You didn't hear that in the beginning? It's amazing.
It's amazing.
How?
I hear it. The sound's coming through.
Yeah, I like it.
It's so funny.
Wow.
Hallo?
Oh.
Hey, du hörst einfach die Musik. Yeah. Oh wow, that's really cool.
That's crazy.
here we are. It's us. Meet this guy. And this guy. Him too. Now meet Robin. This is the other side. We made a smartphone, the only cloud-first, design-forward smartphone. We wanted something new, something different. A reboot. No one is making a smart smartphone. When you get so big, it's hard to see the forest through the trees, let alone the cloud from the forest. Their phones run out of space, they make you delete stuff you don't want to, drop your phone, and you have to start all over. It's not smart, it's shit. Since Robin can run up here, it always has enough storage. This icon, this one's better. And since we actively manage the data, you can keep your photos, songs, videos, and apps. And it does it by being smart, by learning, by adapting. Don't use something for a while? We'll hold it up here. You need it back? We make it rain. They can chase gigs. We'll rock the cloud. Also, Robin looks badass. And kicks ass. It's a superphone. That's why we wrote it down. This is our crew. Badass. Fearless makers with fearless experience. Our dogs have tricks. Our interns have tricks. There's so much talent working to unlock the power of the cloud. Day and night. This stuff ain't easy. But nothing this special is easy. Instead of going to a carrier, we're bringing the special directly to you. We're bringing you a special, smarter, super smartphone that adapts to life as you live it. You have what you need, when you need it, wherever you are. So that's it. We think it's pretty great. If you do too, then join us on Kickstarter. Let's keep doing this our way. From us, straight to you, always. We're Nextbit. Get next now.